To give you an example of end user part for low volume production, we have a small example here from one of our customers. Ikirail is in the transportation railroad industry, and they make and design parts for electronic components and different types of parts. So in this particular project, they needed to act quickly for a health and safety issue for workers not to get electrocuted. So they designed a specific box to go on a switching system, and this box has the function of really protecting the workers from getting a shock. Now, they needed a quick turnaround solution with a specific geometry that had a deep pocket with different varying intensity. They needed to do some design validation quickly, and then really sort of short run to introduce to the market their product by 25, 50, 75, or 100 parts. So very low volume. So 3D printing was really appropriate for this type of project, and they also needed a professional look. So we proposed to them our SLS process, which is a laser sintering process, with the product that is a nylon 11 bio-based product. This nylon 11 is really robust. It allows us to integrate all the features with the 3D printing, and then we use a dyeing solution to make it color red for the safety issue. So we ended up proposing a great solution for them, where they had a really good quality to cost effective for the type of complexity of parts, and it met all of their function quickly, and it supplied their customer for safety issues and solved their problems.